We begin with a warning tonight as outbreaks pop up across the country. We're learning more about a case of measles in a person visiting Indianapolis from out of state. Health officials flagging 2 Indy locations where you may have been exposed. RTV6's Matthew McClellan is working for you, getting the latest on this high impact story. Matt.
We are outside Shapiro's Deli on South Meridian Street. It is one of 2 exposure sites announced Wednesday by the Marion County Health Department. Tonight, we are breaking down why the U.S. is seeing a surge in the disease and the easy way the CDC says you can prevent it.
This is one of the diseases we thought was eradicated, that they wouldn't have to worry about it again, and yet, because of people's poor decisions, it is.
Measles, a case confirmed in a patient who stayed at this microtel at 5815 Rockville Road, March 18th. The manager here says he can't find out which room the person stayed in. The patient going inside Shapiro's Delicatessen on South Meridian Street the same day. According to the CDC, most people who get measles are not vaccinated.
Well, I know there are a lot of people that don't want to vaccinate their children.
The disease considered eradicated in 2000, but seeing a surge in recent years. The World Health Organization in January calling the anti-vaccination movement a global threat.
Vaccinations have become such a highly, either you're against it or for it.
Some parents choose not to vaccinate their kids because of a debunked myth that vaccines are linked to autism.
Just false information being fed.
The CDC says there is no link.
I think people think they know better than conventional wisdom, and unfortunately they're wrong.
Threatening to reverse decades of progress tackling preventable diseases.
Look at the past 50 years and look at the history of measles over that time period and get your kids vaccinated.
If you're not vaccinated and were exposed to measles last week, the health department says you'd likely already have symptoms like high fever, rash, a cough, and runny eyes.
As of March 21st, the CDC confirming 314 cases of measles in 15 states this year. For all of 2018, 372 cases. Reporting on South Meridian Street, Matthew McClellan, RTV6.